Everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy summer vest. You can make it short, medium, or long. You could leave it as an open vest, or you can sew it down the center front and wear it as a top. So let's get started. Easy vest, you're going to start with a foundation chain as long as you would like your vest to be, and that can be short, medium, or long. And you're going to make two long rectangles like this. And for a vest, you're just going to sew one seam, which is the back seam. And for a pullover, you'll sew a seam both in the front and the back. And then you'll fold it in half and sew the side seams. And slits at the bottom are optional. Okay, I'm going to start by making one of my long rectangles. And again, it can be any length that you would like. And I'm going to start with a row of double crochet, and then I'm going to work a row of triple crochet and a chain one, and then I'm going to work all these rows of moss stitch, and then I'm going to end again on this side with a row of triple crochet chain one, and then a row of double crochet. And I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work your foundation chain any length that you would like. And you'll need your foundation chain in an odd number. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet. And double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, and that's how your row of double crochet will look. And that's this row. Now I'm going to make my row of triple crochet chain one. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn. And that chain is going to count as a triple crochet and a chain one. So that's the first stitch. Skip this stitch. I'm going to work into this stitch, and I'm going to work a triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, then insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2. Chain 1. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Skip the next stitch, triple crochet in the next. Chain 1. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Skip, triple crochet. Like that. And you're going to work all the way across the row. Okay, to work across the row, that's what it looks like. And you have a triple crochet in the last stitch. And that's this row. Like that. And now I'm going to work the moss stitch for the main body. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. So that's going to take the place of a single crochet and a chain 1. Single crochet in that first stitch. Chain 1. Skip that triple crochet, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, single crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. After you've worked across the row, your last stitch will be in that turning chain. So chain 1, and we had a chain 5, so we're going to skip 1, and we're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Like that. And this is a repeat row for the moss stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Now you're going to find that chain 1 space and single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Skip that next stitch, find the next chain 1 space, and single crochet, chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. When you reach the end of the row, you're going to skip that last single crochet, and you're going to work a single crochet in that turning chain, like that. So you'll keep repeating that, chain 2 and turn, single crochet in the chain 1 space, and that's what that's going to look like. And you're going to keep working that row over and over until the work is about 2 inches less. This is about 2 inches. So when your work is 2 inches less than the half of the front of your body, then you're going to work our triple crochet. And to do that row, I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will count as a triple crochet and a chain 1. And then you're going to turn. So you're going to skip a stitch and you're going to work into the single crochet. So skip that chain 1 space and work into the triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the single crochet, and then complete the triple crochet. And then chain 1. Yarn around the hook 2 times, skip the chain 1 space, work into the single crochet, and work a triple crochet. Like that. And you're going to do that all the way across the row. So chain 1, yarn around the hook 2 times, skip the chain 1 space, work into the single crochet. Okay, so all the way across the row. Okay, at the end of the row, your last triple crochet is going to be in that single crochet. Like that. And so that is this row right here. And then we have a row of double crochet as the last row. So chain 2 and turn, and that will count as the first double crochet. So double crochet in the chain 1 space, and then double crochet in the top of the triple crochet. Double crochet in the chain 1 space and in the triple crochet, chain 1 space, triple crochet. So double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the top of the triple crochet, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the top of the triple, like that. And you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, and at the end of the row, you'll double crochet in that last chain 1 space, and then double crochet in the top of that turning chain. And that's how that's going to look all the way across the row. And so you're going to make 2 of these sections, and then you can decide whether you want to have an open vest or a pullover top. So for an open vest, you're just going to sew 1 back seam, and when you're leaving the area for your neckline, leave the opening of approximately 18 inches, and that's about 46 centimeters. You can leave it as an open vest, or you can sew it down the center front and wear it as a top.